Question number 8. The power radiated by a black body is P and it radiates maximum energy at wavelength lambda naught. If the temperature of the black body is now changed so that it radiates maximum energy at wavelength 3 by 4 lambda naught, the power radiated by it become Np. The value of N is, now we'll moving towards, we can say that lambda naught changes with change in power, changes with change in power or directly related to power lambda naught. And we also know that energy is equal to hc by lambda. Energy is equal to hc by lambda. Hc by lambda. And we can also say that 1 upon lambda is directly proportional to T, which further directly proportional to T by 4, T to the power 4, directly proportional to our power. So 1 upon lambda naught, 1 upon lambda naught to the power 4, 1 upon lambda naught to the power 4 is directly proportional to power. So taking our ratio P divided by NP, P divided by NP, we get 3 by 4 of lambda naught divided by lambda naught. Which is further equal to 81, sorry I left this, to the power 4, 81 divided by 256, and therefore on further solving, we get N as 256 upon 256 upon 81, which is our required answer. Thank you.